$519. Austin.
What does it feel like to make people incredibly happy and incredibly sad?
I'm Nancy Perry, and I'm the music mixer on Price is Right. And all the music that you hear behind all the prizes and the come on downs, that's me.
Come on down. You're the next contestant at The Price is Right.
I'm Scotty Schneider, music supervisor for The Price is Right. Select all the music for the show and then keep track of everything, send all the cue sheets and make sure all the timings are correct.
Scotty assigns all the songs that he wants and gives it to me. So right here, this is show 2 today. I use a system called SpotOn. You can make any configuration of blocks, and you can, play it from this. It's a touch screen also that we have it on. 3, 2.
I reckon we should be up on 5 music now.
Here it comes from Hollywood, television's most exciting hour. It's The Price is Right.
George is reading all the first 4 contestants to come on down, and when he says, "You're the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right," go into that, and here's your host, Drew Carey.
You are the first 4 contestants on The Price is Right. And now, here's your host, Drew Carey.
He walks out to the theme. And then we go right into, when he says hello to everybody, and we go right into a first prize. So today we're going to be doing, it looks like a glam, possibly prize, because that's kind of a glam cue.
Move and groove up to 300 feet.
There's a lot of music in this show.
Absolutely, more than anybody realizes. But I think most people, they don't think about the music. It's like background, and they don't realize how many pieces there are.
Yeah, I've met a lot of people that are music supervisors, and they're like, what music are you using on the show other than the theme? And, it's about 15, 20 minutes worth of music a show when everything, because, all the specific prizes, all the different trips, all the showcases, everything needs a bed of music. And then even within the games, there are, we call them think music. I think this season we've done 195 shows in about 5.5 months, something like that. It's a lot of music. There's a lot of, the majority of the show is custom work for hire stuff.
I probably have about 40 cues a show would be my average. I divide it up into acts. And we do 3 shows a day. So this is acts 1 and 2, the songs I'll be playing. These are our standard open theme, walk themes.
Welcome to The Price is Right. Let's get another contestant down here, George.
Let's make it Thomas Travel. Come on down.
And then I have my standard cues coming in and out of commercial.
Go get yourself a snack. We'll be right back. More Price is Right after this.
Then we go into our showcases. And this is my showcase, the songs, and then this is the script. I have to follow along because I have crossfades at certain places, and Scotty has cued me where he wants me to do crossfades and has picked the music. This mixer controls that software. So when I play something, I can make sure that it's going where it's supposed to be going. Then I use 3 outputs. So I can do my crossfades.
So basically, okay, you got B, C, and D.
I use B, C, and D.
And that's just in case anything overlaps. You have it all clean.
We're doing a smaller 1 or 2 prizes, and then we're going to go into a car. So I can do a crossfade. And that one's... And then... So that's why I have them on different outputs, because if these were both on C, I would have to... It wouldn't be as clean. This way I can do a nice crossfade.
Oh, come on down. You're the next contestant at The Price is Right.
And so you're constantly watching program and probably listening to the director.
I'm watching program. I don't necessarily listen to the director much. I've been doing it for like 13 years, so I kind of know when to take my own cues. And it's more of a visual or an audio thing. When something is said is when I hit my music. So I kind of do my own thing. And if you lose, everybody, Even Drew always says it's sound effects, but we actually play the trombones.
Lucky Manuela, everybody.
How did you?
This is my fault. This is all my fault.
You've heartbroken so many people with the click of your mouse.
I know. They get very sad.
So what does it feel like to be the person triggering those iconic sounds that people have known for so long?
I love it. I love it. That's why I'm still doing it. I should be retired, but I'm not because I enjoy the show.